Last week we compared the first 5 wireless HDMI dongle. Today we're finishing the list with the number 6 and then we'll find out if number 7 is actually the best. Let's go. And user manual. Let's see. Resolution support. Resolution support. I think no 4K support. Resolution. Setup iOS, Mac, Android, and device network setting is important for connect to home router, Wi-Fi, and secure switching. As you can see, switching function, more advanced link for EZ application, Windows setup, and Android. This model G10 I don't think support 4K, just support full HD video. Let's go to number 7 is best. Wow, I like this. This model is very good quality. 4K UHD really 4K UHD support. Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, Google Assistant, 5G dual band, and here you can see support Miracast AirPlay DLNA model Q5, CPU 827X, supports 4K resolution, 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi connection, mobile phone screen mirroring, computer screencasting to projector, support Windows and anything. Let's go see inside. Wow. Okay, let's go to see this dongle HDMI. Very nice design, is very professional. Two antenna here and user manual, user production manual for Q5 model. Let's see here. Here is wow, HDMI cable quality for 4K support, 4K support HDMI cable, and you can see here USB to micro USB for power supply. This is a input micro USB for power supply, 5V 2A power supply, and this key for setting here. HDMI cable is very good. Support 4K Q5 model, Miracast but wireless display receiver, support AirPlay, mirroring for iOS and Mac OS system, Windows, Android, and everything. You can see installation, and let's go to setup network. Setup network is very important. Here you can see iOS system operation setup, Android operation setup, Windows system operation suitable for Windows 8.1 and above, laptop with USB graphic card and wireless network card, Mac system AirPlay operation, AirPlay DLNA, and setup and firmware update. That's good. I think this model is best Q5 wireless display. What do you think? Please comment opinion